In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable the missing high performance power plan here in Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Enabling high performance power plan can help you get better performance and responsiveness out of your PC. What you're going to want to do is go down to the search bar down at the very bottom and go ahead and type in command prompt, but don't open it yet because you're going to want to right click on it and run it as administrator and hit yes whenever that does pop up. Now, when you are in here, what you're going to want to do is actually type in the following command. It is a little bit long, so I would recommend just screenshotting this right here and then copying and pasting it. Whenever you do get this typed in though, go ahead and hit enter and it's going to pop up a page that looks something like this. And now what you're going to want to do is close out of this and search specifically for, in this Windows search bar again, edit power plan and open it up. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Up at the top, you're going to see a power options tab though. Select that, and then in here you're going to see in this show additional plans a high performance option. Select this and it's now going to be used and ready to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.